So here we will design NFA. Problem statement is construct NFA to accept the strings over alphabet 0, 1 such that the third symbol from right is 0. So here all the strings which is made up of 0, 1, this is a given alphabet, and here the pattern is given, third symbol from right is 0. So before going to this designing part, first we will understand which strings are accepted by this NFA. In general, we assume the length of the string is n. Okay, and here the since pattern is given, the third symbol from right is 0, means the minimum length of the string is 3. So we set the value of n is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. Now we will see how this n bits in the or n alphabets are. So we can say we know the third symbol from right is 0. Okay. It means that there is no any restriction on starting n minus 3 symbols or last 2 symbols. Okay. So in general, we said the first n minus 3 symbols or first n minus 3 alphabet can be anything, either 0 or 1, right? But we know the third symbol is 0, so that's why we are taking this 0, and last 2 symbol can be 1 or 0, and last is also 1 comma 1 slash 0. Okay, so this is, in short, this is a pattern of the strings accepted by the NFA, right? So from this pattern it is clear which strings are accepted by the NFA, right? And here n we have taken which is n is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, now we will see the language with this condition. We can define the language, or we can have the strings in the language. When n is equal to 3, we have only the string of length 3. Okay, so we will consider the very basic case of length 3. So we know in length 3 the yeah, third symbol from right is nothing but the first symbol of the string, right? So first symbol will be 0 in that case. So we can have the other two combination can be anything, but make sure that first symbol is 0. Okay, yeah, so 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is a combination of length 3. Now when n is equal to 4, in that case your first symbol can be 0 or 1, second symbol is 0, and next two symbol can be, it may be 1 or it may be 0. So we can start with 0 0 1 1. Here the first symbol we considered 0. Next we consider the first symbol 1 and the second symbol is 0, and rest can be anything, right? So like this you can have all the strings of length n is greater than or equal to 3, and you can have this infinite set of strings. Okay, so we just extend it, and you can find all such a strings which satisfy this condition. Okay, now once you understand what is the string or what is the language accepted by this NFA, it will help you to design the NFA. Okay, so when we design the NFA, usually we start with the very the smallest string accepted by this NFA. Okay, so as you can see, the smallest string accepted by of length 3. So when we design any finite automata, so we start with that basic case, and then we are adding the rest of the transitions. Okay, so now let us move to the solution. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this is a constructed NFA for this given problem. So there are four states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is the final state. And you can see there is a path from Q0 to Q3 on minimum length string, which is 3, right? So when you look here from right to left, you will find the third symbol is 0. And last but one symbol is, it may be 1 or 0. So transition is shown like this. And last symbol again, it may be 1 comma 0. It is shown like this. And the self loop indicates the first n minus 3 symbols can be, it may be 0 or it may be 1. Okay. So when n is equal to 3, that time this transition will not take place. Okay. So NFA directly moves from Q0 to Q1. But for any value where n is greater than 3, it goes through this self loop. Okay. So you will find there is no further this transition on Q3 because we are ending at this last. Then only we can trace this transition is a last, this third symbol from the right. Okay. So all n minus 3 will be taken care here on the Q0. Okay. Now we will do, we will simulate this string, whether it is accepted or not with this solution. String is 11010. So simulation we can start here since Q0 is the initial state and this 11010 is a input string. So when NFA, what NFA does actually, it reads the string from left to right symbol, that one by one. Okay. So it means how we interpret from initial state Q0 and current input is now this 1. What is the next step? So here we can show from Q0 on input symbol 1. Next state is Q0 only, and now remaining symbols are 1 0 1 0. Okay. Yeah. Now okay, here again this we will go to the next step. Yeah. So it indicates, we will insert the symbol here, arrow. Now you can interpret from Q0. Now the current state is Q0 and next this current input is 1. So on this state and with this input symbol, you can find the next state is Q0 only, right? So we can show this with the transition Q0, and now remaining string is 0 1 0. Okay. Yeah. Now okay, now we'll move to the next state. Again we will insert this arrow, and now we can have the transition on Q0 on input symbol 0. Now here machine should take this transition. If machine is taking the self loop, then it will not be accepted. So there should be some this smart decision by finite automata. It should go to the Q0 to Q1 on this third symbol, right? Practically NFA is not possible. We will see in the next unit because NFA is a non-deterministic finite automata. So we can convert NFA to DFA. So right now you just you should know that on this third symbol, machine should take the transition from Q0 to Q1, not to the self loop. So here now next state is Q1 and now remaining string is 1 0. Yeah. Now we will move to the next transition. Yeah, we will insert now again. Now you will find from Q1. Now this current input is 1. This is Q1 is a current state, and now the input is now this 1. Where it goes from Q1 on 1, it goes to the Q2. So we can have this transition Q2, and now the remaining symbol is 0. Yeah. Now we will have last transition, which is from state Q2, and the input symbol is 0. Where it goes to the Q3. Now you can find the string is completed and machine is in state Q3, which is Q3 is a final state, right? So when machine ends at final state after reading the string, it means it is accepted. So given string is accepted by NFA. Okay. So like this we can show acceptance and rejection of the string.